Story time, kids.
Once, there was a man and he had to go pee so bad. But what he didn't know is that people were fake pooping. There were so many people trying to go to that line. But Steve, that man, couldn't handle it. So Steve blew up only the line. But people were still fake pooping. They didn't die. So Steve became a mad scientist. So then Steve could have a formula to make everyone go away from that line so he can just go pee. No one even knew what to do that day. They were so sad. There was breaking news, so Steve went to jail. Dun dun dun!
That's enough story time, kids.